Let's go to page 608 and let's do number 10. Okay, so you have x minus 3y equal to 0 and you got 3y minus x equal to 0. So first I'm going to switch this to put in the correct order. And I'm going to eliminate. So the x is already opposite already, so I'm going to put this under here. And when I add, I get 0 equal to 0. Okay, so notice I'm not able to solve, but this is true. So what this means that two equations are dependent on each other. So again, it's always true, so it's dependent. Okay. So again, if you're unable to solve, but it's true, then it would be dependent. If it's false, then it would be inconsistent. Okay, let's go to number 11. You got 4x plus 3y equal to 2. And you got 3x plus 5y equal to negative 4. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to make the x opposite. So I'm going to eliminate the x. So notice you got 3 and 4, right? So this common multiple will equal to 12. Your LCM is 12. So I need to get into 12 and negative 12. So I'm going to multiply this by 3. So this will give me 12. And I'm going to multiply this by negative 4. This will give me negative 12. Okay, so again, you have to make it into opposite. So you have to get to your LCM. So multiply, you get 12x plus 9y equal to 6. This one you multiply, you get negative 12. Again, that's your goal. That's what you want to do. Okay, make them opposite so they will cancel out when you add. I'm going to put this over here. So I got 12x plus 9y equal to 6. So when you add, this will cancel out. Now notice the opposite sign. So on the opposite sign, you have to subtract the number and take the sign of the higher number, which will give you negative. Okay, so you add, get 22. Then you divide by negative 11. So you got y equal to negative 2. So once you find y equal to negative 2, you can go back to any one of the equation. So I'm going to use this one here. So I got 4x plus 3 times y equal to 2. So you got 4x minus 6 equal to 2. So plus 6 on both sides. So 4x you get to 4x equal to 8. Divide by 4, divide by 4. So x equal to 2. Okay, so you can make sure you show your steps so that people can follow what you're doing. So math, an important part of math solving is communication skill. So make sure you practice your communication skill. Okay, let's go to number 12. Okay, number 12, you have 5x plus 7y equal to 1. You got 3x plus 4y equal to 1. Okay, I'm going to eliminate the x. So my LCM equal to 15, right? 3 and 5 is 15. So I need to get 15 and negative 15. So I'm going to multiply this by 3. So I get 15x. So I need to multiply this by 3 and I multiply this by negative 5. Okay, so again, when I multiply, I get 15. When I multiply, I get negative 15. Again, that's the goal. Okay, you need to have an opposite in order to cancel things out, right? So plus 21y equal to 3. So minus 20y equal to negative 5. So carefully take your time, okay, get it right. Then I'm going to put this under here. So this will cancel out. Opposite signs, you have to subtract the number, so it would be 1y. Opposite sign, you have to subtract the number, so I get 2 and it would be negative. Because a bigger number, 5, has negative, right? Okay, so that takes care of the y. And then to do the x, you have to use any one of the equation. You can use this one. So 5x plus 7 times negative 2 equal to 1. Right? Whenever you substitute, put in parentheses. Okay, if you don't, it becomes 7 minus 2, right? So that's why this is the reason you want to put in parentheses. Okay, then plus 14 on each side. 5x equal to 15, divide by 5, divide by 5, so x equal to 3. Okay, let's go to number 13. you have 6x minus 10y equal to 6. You got 9x minus 15y equal to negative 4. So again, all these numbers are multiple of 2, so I'm going to divide them by 2 to lower my number. Okay, so you want to do that. So lower number is easier to work with. This one you cannot. So now if you look, I'm going to multiply this by negative 3 to make them opposite. Okay, I'm going to do the y. Okay, or you can multiply by 9. Okay, but I'm going to multiply by 3. It's a lower number. So multiply by negative 3. So I can end up with 15, which is opposite of negative 15, right? So I get negative 3x plus 15y equal to negative 9. And put this under here. So I get 9x minus 15y equal to negative 4. Okay. Oh, this is 3. This is 3. So this would be negative 9. There we go. Sorry about that. So you can watch, so you can easy to catch mistakes. Okay, so when you add, you're going to get 0 equal to negative 13. So this is not good. So this is inconsistent. Okay. Okay, let's go to number 14. Number 14, you have 7x minus 2y equal to 7, and you got 21x minus 6y equal to 6. Okay, so I am going to make the x opposite, so I'm going to multiply by negative 3. So I get negative 21x plus 6y equal to negative 21, and I'm going to put this under here. So 21x minus 6y equal to 6. When I add, I get 0 equal to opposite sign, you have to subtract the number, so it would be 15 and negative. And again, this is false, right? 0 equal to negative 15, so that's false, so it would be inconsistent. Okay, number 15. You have 3x minus 5y equal to negative 2, and have 10y minus 6x equal to 4. So first I'm going to switch this over here. Okay, so put it in the correct order. Then I'm going to divide by 2. Okay, I'm going to divide by 2 to lower my number. So I get negative 3. Negative 3x plus 5y equal to 2. Then I'm going to put this under here. So I get 3x minus 5y equal to negative 2. When I add, I get 0 equal to 0. So again, I'm not able to solve, but this is always true. So this will be dependent. Okay, dependent. So if it's true, it's dependent. If it's false, then it's inconsistent. Okay, okay, let's go to 16. So you have 15. You have 15x minus 9y equal to negative 3. Then you have 6y minus 10x equal to 2. Okay, so first I'm going to switch this. So I put it in the correct order. And all these are multiple of 2. So I'm going to divide them by 2 to lower my number. So I get negative 5x plus 3y equal to 1. Okay, so you can tidy up things a little bit. This one, again, all these are multiple of 3. So I'm going to divide by 3 to lower my number. So I get 5x minus 3y equal to negative 1. Now in this case, the x is already opposite, so I'm going to put this under here. So I get 5x minus 3y equal to negative 1. So when I add, I get 0 equal to 0. Okay, so this is true, but I'm not able to solve, but it's true, so this will be dependent. Okay, okay, let's go to 17. so you got x over y equal to 5 over 8, and you have x plus 3 over y plus 4 equal to 9 over 14. Okay, so to solve this, what you can do is you can multiply by common denominator, or you can just cross multiply. So when you cross multiply, you get ax equal to 5y. Okay, so you can cross multiply, and I want to write the x on this side. So cross multiply, I get 14x plus 42 equal to cross multiply, I get 9y plus 36. Okay, next what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the y to this side and the number to the other side. So I'm going to try to make it into standard form. So I got ax minus 5y equal to 0. This one I'm going to minus 9y, and I'm going to minus 42, so that this will cancel out this. Again, I want to move the number to the right hand side. So I got 14x minus 9y is equal to, so opposite sign, you have to subtract the number. Okay, so this is kind of a little bit messy. So I'm going to do the y. I'm going to eliminate the y. So the LCM for y would be 45. Okay. So I'm going to multiply this by 9. Okay, and I'm going to multiply this by negative 5. Okay. Again, the goal is try to get to the LCM, but you have to make them opposite. So multiply by 9, this will give you negative. So I need a positive over here. So I need to have this. Okay, okay, that's going to multiply. Multiply again, negative 70x plus 45y equal to 30. Okay, so now they're opposite, right? So I'm going to put, doesn't matter which one you put underneath, so let's put this under here. So I get 72x minus 45y equal to 0. When I add this, cancel out. So again, opposite sign, you have to subtract the number. So divide by 2, so x equal to 15. Okay, now once you find x equal to 15, you can go to any one of the equations to solve for y. So this would be the easier equation to solve for y. So I'm going to use this one over here. So I got 8 times 15 equal to 5y. Now, you don't waste time to multiply these things out. Okay, you're solving for y, right? So just divide by 5. So over here you can divide by 5, so this cancel out. And this also can cancel out. See, 5 and 15, you can cancel. So 3 times 8 is 24. So don't multiply out into a big number and try to reduce. So cancel out, cancel as much as you can before you multiply out. Okay. Okay, let's go to number 18. Here, x over y equal to 2 over 3. And you got x plus 4 over y plus 3 equal to 3 over 4. Okay, so again, first let's get rid of the fraction. So cross multiply. So I got 3x equal to 2y. This one you cross multiply. Again, I always put the x on the left hand side. So you got 4x plus 16 equal to 3y plus 9. I cross multiply. So that's going to make everything all nice in standard form. So minus 2y on both sides. So you got 3x minus 2y equal to 0. This one I'm going to minus 3y. So this will cancel out. And I move the number to this side. So minus 16 on both sides. So this cancel out. So I got 4x minus 3y equal to opposite sign. You have to subtract the numbers. So it would be 7 and be negative. Okay, so now I need to get the LCM. So I'm going to do the y. Okay, so LCM for y is 6. So I'm going to multiply this by 3, and I need to multiply this by negative 2. Okay, so again, when I multiply by 3, this will give me a negative 6. This will give me positive 6. Okay, so you can get your LCM. So choose one variable that you want to eliminate and get an LCM for that. So when you multiply, you get 9x minus 6y equal to 0. This one, when you multiply, you get negative ax plus 6y equal to 14. So again, you want to make them opposite. And I'm going to put this under here. So negative ax plus 6y equal to 14. Okay. So put this under here. Now when you add, you're going to get x. This cancel out equal to 14. And that's it for the x. Now to do y, I'm going to use this equation over here. Okay, this is the easiest equation. So it'll be 3 times 14 equal to 2y. Again, don't multiply into big number. Just go and divide by 2, divide by 2. So this cancel out. Okay, and this will cancel with this. So it'll be 21. Okay. Okay, let's go to number 19. You got x plus 3 over y plus 7 equal to 4 over 3. And you have x minus 1 over 5 minus y equal to 2 over 3. Okay, so you can cross multiply. So I get 3x plus 9 equal to, you cross multiply, you get 4y plus 28. This one over here, you cross multiply, you get 3x minus 3 equal, cross multiply, you get 10 minus 2y. Okay, go and tidy things up a little bit. So I'm going to move all the variables to the left-hand side and move the numbers to the right-hand side. So I get 3x minus 4y equal to opposite sign. You have to subtract the number. Okay. 9. Okay, then from here, again, you want to move the variable to this side. So when you add, you get 5y, 3x. So 3x plus 2y equal to 13. Okay, there you go. The x's always have same number, so I'm going to multiply this by negative 1 to match that. Now the reason I want to multiply this by negative 1, so because this already have negative, so I want to make it into positive. So multiply by negative 1, so I got negative 3x plus 4y equal to negative 19. Then I'm going to move this over, so I get 3x plus 2y equal to 13. So when I add this cancel out, so I get 6y equal to, now this is opposite sign, so opposite sign you have to subtract the number and take the sign of the bigger number, and then you divide by 6, so y equal to negative 1. Now to solve for x, look for easy equation. I guess this is the easiest one. So you got 3x plus 2 times negative 1 equal to 13. So you got 3x minus 2 equal to 13 plus 2 on both sides. So you got 3x equal to 15 divided by 3. Divide by 3, so x equal to 5. Okay. Okay, let's go to number 20. You got x plus 12 over y plus 11 equal to 5 over 7. Then you have x plus 8 over y plus 9 equal to 1 over 2. Okay, so again, let's go and cross multiply to get rid of the fraction. So you get 7x plus 84 equal to, multiply, you get 5y plus 55. This one you cross multiply, you get 2x plus 16 equal to y plus 9. Okay, so let's go ahead and move things around to make into a standard form. So this will cancel out, move this over. So this will cancel out. So you got 7x minus 5y equal to, now opposite sign, you have to subtract the number. So 84 minus 55 will give you 9, 2. So it will be negative. This one you do the same thing, minus y on both sides. So this will cancel out. Minus 16 on both sides. So this will cancel out. So you get 2x minus y equal to, opposite signs, you have to subtract the number, take the sign of the bigger number. Okay, so now let's see. Okay, let's go and eliminate the y. It's easier to do. So let's go and multiply by negative 5. Okay, so I end up with positive 5 y, right? Okay, so I get negative 10x plus 5y equal to positive 35. I have to multiply every time, right? And I'm going to put this under here. So I got 7x minus 5y equal to negative 29. So when I add, I get minus 3x. Again, opposite signs, you have to subtract the number. Opposite sign, you have to subtract the number. And you divide by negative 3, divide by negative 3. So x equal to negative 2. So once you solve for x, let's solve for y. Let's see which would be an easier equation. This is actually the easiest equation. Again, you can use any equation. So choose the easiest one. So this is the easiest one. So I get 2 times negative 2 minus y equal to negative 7. So use this equation over here. So we got negative 4 minus y equal to negative 7 plus 4 on both sides. So I got negative y equal to opposite sign. You have to subtract the number and use that. Okay, then you're going to divide by negative 1. So y equal to 3. Okay, and that's it.